Christmas bell is ringing. Ta-da! Merry Christmas, guys. Wait, is it Christmas already? I cannot believe it is almost Christmas. Well, I know most of you already start preparing for your big Christmas celebration. You probably start baking, fixing up your home or your house properly. You know, those little fandango decoration. I love everything about Christmas. So why not just get in the kitchen and start doing some baking? So you can, have something that you can give your friends and family for early Christmas. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I make Jamaican sorrel cake for the first time. First thing first, I put a pot on the stove to boil with some water, and then I had ginger and cinnamon. After the water is boiling, then I had washed my sorrel and I had it to it and leave it for about 2 minutes for it to extract that goodness. Guys, the color of the sorrel is so amazing. I bought this on Amazon. In the video that I share, I have how to make sorrel drink. I'm going to place it in the description so you know how exactly I bought this sorrel. I cream my butter and sugar together. Now I'm going to just go ahead and crack my egg, and that white thing that you see me showing, in Jamaica they call that the eye of the egg, and it make the egg a little like raw, so that's why I go in and I remove that. I also had some lemon peel to the egg to cut down the rawness. For this mixture, do not add all the egg at once. And now guys, it is the star of this baking, the sorrel puree. So I'm just gonna add it to the mixture, and I'm going to go around and blend it in properly. And this is the mixed fruit that I have for my Jamaica rum cake that I'm going to bake for the Christmas. Yes, I'm going to do a lot of baking for the Christmas. So I blend it as well, and the reason why I blend it is to give it a good texture. So for flour, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups. I do not add all the flour at once, so I add cup by cup. And do not be like me, guys. Ensure that you sieve your flour, all your dry ingredients. You can sieve it in a separate container before you add it to your mixture. I did not sieve mine, to be honest, and that is something that I should have done. So ensure that you go ahead and sieve your flour and all your other dry ingredients. You can mix it together, sieve it, and then add it to your mixture. So I go in with some allspice and some vinegar, and then I'm going to add some baking soda. I'm going to put the correct measurement in the description that I use, no worries. I had some almond, some nutmeg, I had some nutmeg. I had some mixed spice, some cinnamon, and baking soda. Guys, this is smelling so amazing. It is smelling so amazing in the kitchen. I cannot wait to bake this. I want to ask, am I the only one whenever I'm making cake I always like eat some of this before I put it in the oven? I guess I'm not. But anyhow, I had some red coloring. This is optional. You do not have to add color, but I had color because I think the sorrel color was not giving the color that I want. So I go ahead and I had a few drops of red coloring. Honestly, for the first time, I think I did an amazing job. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below if I did an amazing job. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. I appreciate you. For all those who are interacting with my content, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video, man. Yes guys, subscribe. Help me. Now I'm going to put these in the oven and allow it to bake. I'm going to bake it for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes, but again it depends on the oven that you're using. For testing, you can use a toothpick or a knife, but toothpick is better because you do not want to dig into your cake. If the toothpick do not come out clean, that means your cake is not yet ready. So for this now, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of the sorrel juice that I have remaining and some wine and white rum. I'm going to shake it well, and once my cake is removed from the oven, I'm going to go in and spray it on top of the cake. Guys, the kitchen is smelling so good. It is smelling so good. I'm not joking. I am not joking. I think I did a great job, man, for the first time. And these cracks that you saw in the cake, this can happen for various reasons. Either the oven is too hot, the temperature in the oven is too hot, it is in a wrong container, or you mix the mixture too much. That is the reason why you have crack cake. But no worries, guys, this is tasting delicious. It's all about the taste, right? We're gonna cut it anyway and we're gonna eat it, so don't worry about the little flaws and whatever. I'm telling you, this is smelling good and I cannot wait to taste it. So I'm doing my little decoration here. I'm adding some red cherries, and I'm going to share this with friends and family. Let them give me their opinion, because I don't want it to seem like because I do it, I am saying, oh, it tastes so amazing or it smells so good. I want to get other opinion, you know? Yes, so here I'm doing my taste check, and guys, look at that. Look at this texture. It is so nice, and I'm telling you, it tastes so delicious. I am definitely gonna do this again, and for all those mistakes that I make, I'm gonna improve on it. Now, thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate the love and support once more. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more video. See you in the next one. Bye.